I thought it was great. I was happy to participate. Because now we're not able to connect, socially, and especially, being here in Denver and, wanting to connect with people in California. And it seems that everybody in class were from all over the United States, which was great, that we can come together. And I don't feel that I missed out on anything from being in person and on Zoom. I feel that it was just as good as being in class.
The class on Zoom worked out really well. As I think we are all discovering in this time, that, I'm a firm believer that it doesn't matter where you're at, the energy is going to be, we have access to the energy no matter where we are. And I think that because of the time that we are in right now, it's being proven to us over and over again that when we set our intentions to heal, no matter what, healing is going to happen. And it's been really amazing at how the learning through the class was really wonderful. You guys were amazing instructors in teaching us the different things. There was a lot of this practice is in the practice. So the instruction was really wonderful and the guidance was really amazing. But the benefits of the instruction really comes in the daily practice. So.